This SENIX 22-inch self-propelled gas mower is great. It has a nice self-propelled handle right here that you can just pull back on. This will keep that locked into place. It has a bag so you can bag your cuttings with an easy lift. This is the engine here. It's a Briggs Stratton engine. Here is the 6-position height adjustment. You can just adjust that with one hand. And then here is what the cut looks like.
Beautiful.
It's a beautiful cut, nice and even.
Cut.
It's not choppy at all.
Nice and even.
We have literally loved the way our yard has looked since we've purchased this mower. I highly recommend getting this. You can see again how smooth everything is here.